Transform your raw footage into polished masterpieces by mastering the essential skills of splitting and trimming in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive into the heart of efficient video editing, splitting and trimming clips. First, place your playhead exactly where you want to divide a clip. This is your cutting point. Now, grab the razor tool it looks like a razor blade from your toolbar. Click directly on the playhead's position on your clip. Instantly, you've split that single clip into two independent segments, giving you greater control. To refine these segments, we'll use the selection tool, the arrow icon. Hover your cursor over the edge of a clip, you'll see the trim icon appear, indicating you can adjust its length. Click and drag inwards from either end to shorten your clip. This is trimming while you're removing unwanted sections with precision. Want to remove an entire section between your splits? Simply select the unwanted portion. Then, hit delete. Premiere Pro will either leave a gap or, with a simple ripple delete using the backspace key, close that gap seamlessly. By mastering these fundamental splitting and trimming techniques, you're building the foundation for dynamic storytelling and professional-grade video projects. Practice these moves and watch your edits elevate.